Oh my God. Today we are making history. We just passed $20,000. And as I'm recording this, we are above $20,000 for Bitcoin. This is uncharted territory and we are in for a bull run. Now, what if I told you that what's actually happening right now is only the beginning? Today, we're having the confirmation that we're in for the next 7 years of a bull run cycle. I'm going to show you in the chart the proof of my claim, and we're going to have a lot of fun to talk about this coming up after the intro. What's up, guys? This is JC and welcome to the Wealth Engineering channel. The more you pay attention to, the more aware you become. And in this channel, we pay attention to stocks, crypto, real estate, and business to find the best place to grow your portfolio. If this is something that interests you, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and click the bell. I want to thank all my new subscribers and new viewers. Thank you for your support. We have made it. We are over 400 subscribers. Thank you, guys. I'm excited to bring new contents for you. And today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic. Now, first, I want to talk to you about this. If you had invested your money in March in Bitcoin, right now you would be making close to 400% on your investment. So this is 4 times the return on your initial investment. Now, what if I told you you could have made a lot more money if you had followed the strategy that we discussed on a technical investor course? Well, you would have known exactly to buy it right here and sell right here. You would also know to buy it right here and to sell it right here. And if you have been following the YouTube channel for the last couple weeks, I've been signaling a major pump that was coming to Bitcoin, and you would have known to buy it right in this area right here. So make sure to like and subscribe at the very least. I also drop golden nuggets on this YouTube channel, but what you really want to do is you want to check out the technical investor course. If you have been investing for the last 3 years, or you're interested to invest but you don't know where to start, this is the perfect course for you. I go over exactly how to make, keep, and multiply your money. I give you clarity, focus, and direction towards building your wealth. We go over the history of money, how to trade and invest, strategies to grow your portfolio very fast. We even talk about personal finance, and sometimes I drop new videos on the bonus channels to make sure I address all your questions and make sure you're on your right path. So make sure you check this out. I currently have a 73% off discount on this course right now. It's going to expire at the end of the month. So make sure you sign up while the price are very cheap, because right now, even at the full price, this course is a bargain. We go over a lot of material in this course, so make sure you sign up for it. With that said, you came here for the truth. Let's just dive deep into it. This is big news. Bitcoin is making all-time high. Today, it just passed above $20,000. And as I'm recording this, Bitcoin is currently above $21,000. And this is just the beginning. We're going to discuss about that in this video. Now, when you see CNBC talking about cryptocurrencies, this is when you know that when Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies are getting national attention and investors are looking into it. This year, we have seen institutional money coming into cryptocurrencies, and we're just at the beginning. Now, I don't like this article from CNBC, but I love the title. They're saying, should you invest in it? Now, if you had followed my course, Technical Investor course, you know exactly what you should do. But it's funny that they're saying that, hey, don't get caught up on the trend. They have other things. They have this quote here from David Orensky saying that Bitcoin produces no earning, it pays no dividend, it pays no interest. So it's not really an investment in the traditional sense. Of course it's not. Of course it's not an investment in the traditional sense. The proof is in the pudding. No asset class is giving returns like cryptocurrency as a whole, especially Bitcoin. The last 10 years, Bitcoin has outperform all the other asset classes. And right now there is a serious case that should people dump US dollars and dump gold in exchange for Bitcoin? And there is a serious argument that makes people thinking twice about it. So it's a very interesting article. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to read more about it. But it's not just CNBC. There is also CBC talking about cryptocurrencies, and it's bringing cryptocurrencies and Bitcoins into the masses. So this is one of the largest news channel of Canada, CBC. We also have Forbes talking about this historical moment happening in cryptocurrency right now, all-time high, and this is uncharted territory. Now we even have more news coming in light of this crazy news that happened today. Is Canada's CI Financial completes 72 million IPO of Bitcoin fund. Bitcoin fund are hitting the exchanges, and last week we also had an Ethereum fund that was released on the Canadian exchanges. So cryptocurrencies is really making its way to your portfolio, to your retirement fund, to your pension, and to your future. So you tell me, is this the investment of the future? We'll see. Time will tell. But by the time you figure this answer out, it might be too late, and you might want to do some research now. All right, you saw the title, and this is a very bold claim, but I'm going to show you what's currently happening in Bitcoin right now is only the beginning. We are seeing the early stage of a 7-year massive bull run. I have discussed about this on my course, but I'm going to give you a glimpse about it today. We are going to correct the chart with the new data that we have received today. The price closing above 20,000 changed everything, and I'm going to talk to you about it right now. I'm going to show you on the technical chart what I was referring to. And just last video, we were talking about this pump. So if you haven't checked last videos before, you want to make sure you check that out because we had predicted this move that was going to come very soon. And it came literally 48 hours after I made these videos. Now today we're going to talk about another interesting pattern. Now in this video right here, this is actually a free video on my course, The Next 10 Years in Crypto. I actually went over this pattern that you see here. So I'm not going to go in details. You can go on my course and check it out. But what I am going to do in this video is to change what you're currently seeing here. So we're going to do that together, and I'm going to go over why I'm saying this. Now in the course, I discussed about the Elliott wave and draw this. There's many different types of correction pattern, and we had chosen this pattern right here based on its initial move, but ever since then it went above the D, which confirmed that this pattern was no longer active. And today we're actually creating a new pattern. So what I'll do first is I'm going to correct the right pattern for this move, and we're going to draw the new pattern. Now the Elliott wave always has a correction, and it's always hard to find the right correction. Now, based on the data that we have today, we can confirm that this was an ABC correction, and I'll draw it here. So the A would be here, this would be the B, and this would be the C. And basically that means now anything that happens after that is actually a new pattern. And I believe that what we're seeing right now is the beginning of a new Elliott wave theory. Because from the previous Elliott wave, we had 5 different waves. And if you don't sure exactly how it works, again, go check out the course. But we had 5 different waves, and each of these waves have 5 different waves within them. We talked about that. So this is one giant wave. So this is one giant Elliott wave that lasted from 2010 all the way to 2017. So this is 7 years right there, followed by 2 years of correction. So what I believe we're seeing is actually the beginning of a new giant Elliott wave. And this is why I'm saying the next 7 years is going to be all bullish for Bitcoin. Even though we might get a large correction like this, but it's going to be part of a major pattern, and this is the pattern that we're seeing here based on its previous history. If the first Elliott wave brought the prices from basically pennies on the dollars all the way to $20,000 Bitcoin, and then followed by correction, so what do you think the next big Elliott wave will do? And this is why I believe that $1 million per Bitcoin is not something that's going to be too surprising to see on the next 10 years. So it might even happen by 2027. So this is an interesting thing to keep in mind, and followed by 2 years of correction, just like we have here as well. This is why I believe that what we're seeing right now is basically the start of a new 7-year run. And this is why I'm drawing this line right here. This line is to symbolize the first big wave, which is not the biggest. The biggest wave is usually the third and sometimes the fifth, but mostly the third. So that's going to be interesting. So If we're gonna see the first wave, and the first wave could bring us all the way to 100, even 200,000 for Bitcoin, but we want to pay attention to that third big wave and make sure that we can collect our profit so that we can buy it back right at this point right here. So this same pattern will happen again, all over again for Bitcoin. So you want to make sure you sign up to the technical investor course, because you're going to understand exactly how to ride this bull run right here for the next 10 years. And right now it's at a discount. It's only $100 US or $97 US. Or at the very least, like and subscribe this video. This video will help us reach more people, and when you subscribe, you get alerted when I release a video. So make sure you know, because at the very least on my weekly forecast, you can at least keep track on what's going on with the crypto market, and sometimes you can see things before they happen, because I'm going to point them out for you. So with that said, this is a very exciting time for Bitcoin. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. To be honest with you, I'm kind of sad that it happened so quickly. I was hoping that it would happen by summer 2021. So at first I thought it was going to happen in May, but it happened way earlier than I expected. And this is due because of all the bullish news that we had. The institutional money coming in to Bitcoin. I just showed you that Canada is all over it right now. The institutions are coming with $1 billion in Bitcoins. And when we look at the overall market cap of the cryptocurrencies, right now it's still in its infancy. So this is a very exciting time for Bitcoins. It's happening fast. So this is all I had ready for you today. I hope you're excited just like I am. And with that said, we'll talk on the next video.